Cristiano Ronaldo. Beautiful, beautiful. Something close to genius. He's turned the tie around all by himself. Another Champions League hat-trick for the head of the Real Madrid.
In the name of God. Hello dear friends, welcome to this tutorial clip. What do you want to this tutorial clip? I want to teach make the best product. The first, I make HTML and CSS products, and the next clip I teach a slick slider. Now continue and let's go with me. The first Clipamooz category section and the class called LG3 clubs and added to called LG9. Come back to main project. You see the best products. For example, we can use the name of class Clipamooz title. Div class Clipamooz title and added h2, for example, the best product. Okay, refresh and test. Now added CSS and continue. In this class container and added Clipamooz title class. Okay, that container.Clipamooz title. The first text align center. Refresh. Okay, the best products. Okay, Clipamooz title h2. Display inline block, margin button 25 pixels, padding button 20 pixels, position relative, font size 1.5 rem. Okay, refresh and test. It's good. Now added the line, two line left and line right. Okay, h2 before and h2 after. The h2 before, content empty, width 20 px, height 2 px, margin button 35 px negative, position absolute, width 50 px, height 2 px, position absolute, bottom 0, left 50%, background 60b8 EA. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Now added other line, h2 after, container.Clipamooz title h2 after. Content empty, width 20 px, height 2 px, margin bottom 35 negative px, position absolute, bottom 0 and left 50%, and background 61. Refresh and test. excuse me, margin left. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Come back to main project and added items. We need picture and H1 and other options we need. Continue with me. Now div class Clipamooz, for example, product item, and added Clipamooz shadow class. The first added image we need inside figure. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Continue. Remove image and added alt and class img float. Alt img float. Now added div class Clipamooz, for example, product content. Copy Clipamooz content item, product item. Now div class product content. In content, come back to main project. In content, the first we have H2, for example, Canon digital camera. Added H2 href Canon digital camera. After H2 we need a span class, for example, text silver, white, blue, and added a span class Clipamooz product text. Continue. Also we need text muted, for example, silver, white, and blue. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Come back to main project and we need added stars. Continue. Div class Clipamooz product star. In div class Clipamooz product star, we add I class FA star and control D5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, refresh. Now added div class Clipamooz product price and added $1,450,000. Refresh. Okay, and added online shopping. Okay, after Clipamooz product price, and added div class Clipamooz product buy. In this Clipamooz product buy, just add the ahref, for example, online shopping. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Now added CSS. Continue. In index HTML, the first Clipamooz product item. Copy Clipamooz product item. Let's start that list. Okay, the first max width 2500 px, float right, margin bottom 3 px, position relative, background white. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Continue. Now added Clipamooz product item figure. Okay. Hit 260. Border bottom 1 px solid F2 F2 F4. Okay, refresh and test. Now go to Clipamooz product content. Control C and style, Control D and edit. Okay, with 100% and display in line block. Padding top 0, right 0, bottom 5 px and left 5 px. And added CSS H2, Clipamooz product content, Control D and added H2. Just font size 1 rem. Now added H2, added the CSS class A for example, and Control D and added H2A. Color 3E3E3E. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Now added hover. Add hover. Color 60B8EA. Refresh and test. Okay. What else? Clipamooz product.test. Display block. Margin bottom 20 px. Font size 0.8 rem. Color 63757D. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Now added CSS for a star. Continue with me. Clipamooz product item, Clipamooz product content, Clipamooz product text. Control D, Control Shift, cursor button, Clipamooz product text, product star with 100%. Float left. Padding top and bottom 5 px, left and right 0. Font size .fix rem. Color 95A 5A6. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Continue. Clipamooz product star, Control D. Now added CSS.fisr. Float left and margin.5 and margin.5 px. Refresh and test. Come back to main project and you see pink color and added CSS pink color. if I star pink, for example, color FD65HC and add it in index HTML, for example, Alt Shift cursor down, for example, space pink, refresh and test. What's happened? Not run. Come back to style.list, and we don't need f.star. Just Clipamooz product star pink, refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Now add the CSS for price. Control D, Control Shift, Clipamooz product.content, Clipamooz product.price. Color FD65HC and text align left. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Now add the CSS online shopping. It's very important. Continue with me. In index HTML, I definish Clipamooz product by. Okay, copy. In the Clipamooz product content, Control D and Control V. Okay. Now added parameters by in index HTML dot A. Okay, A. Hit 45px, line hit 45px, display block, padding right 15px, position absolute, bottom 5px, right 5px negative, font size .9 rem, background 60 B8 EA, color white, and Z index 10. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Come back to main project. We can use this picture, and we need to href added a before and added a after. Continue with me. The first Control D, a before, content empty, width 100%, hit 100%, position absolute, top 0, left 20px negative, background inherit, Z index 1 negative. Now we need transform escape 40 degree negative and 0 degree. Okay, refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Continue the main project and add it to in this picture. Continue with me after. Control D. After. Content empty. Position absolute. Top 5 negative px. Right 0. Border top 5 px solid transparent. Border bottom 5 px solid transparent. Border left 5 px solid. Number 428 CA9. Z index 2 negative. Okay, refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Okay, the same main project. Now added other items. Just index.html, Clipamooz. Okay, Clipamooz product item. What is it? Just copy. Control V, Control V. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. It's good. Refresh and test. Okay, and change JPEG to .jpg and 3. Okay, refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Thank you very much for this clip, and I miss all my good friends. Be successful and victorious, and goodbye.